Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, verify your email, enable two-factor authentication, and have a payment method if required. Start the account creation flow now and pick a clear project name so you can track usage. Enter basic organization details. This matters for billing and API quotas. Once done, locate the developer or API section in the dashboard. Make sure to choose the correct environment, production versus test, because keys and permissions will differ and affect costs. You move to generate the key. Open Dashboard, then API Keys, and click Create New Key. Choose the environment, select minimal scopes needed, and set an expiration if you want short-lived credentials. Give the key a descriptive label, project, and purpose so you can rotate or revoke later. When the key appears, copy it immediately. Many consoles show it only once. Store it in a secrets manager or encrypted vault, because exposing it can lead to unauthorized usage and unexpected charges. You now integrate the key into your app. Place it in an environment variable or secret store, then reference it in the authorization header. Run a simple test request to verify authentication and check status codes. Confirm rate limits and billing attribution in the dashboard. Once integration works, implement key rotation and set alerts for unusual usage. If requests fail, verify the key, scopes, and environment, clear caches, and retry. A common fix: ensure you use the production key in production and not a test key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.